my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer Cloud 9 and yours YF02. I've got a little bit of an extension here on my nail using that builder gel in a bottle. I'll be starting off with Dainty Digits Glitter Be Gone and Cloud 9 from MJ Lacquer. It's like denim blue with glitters, shimmers, and glitters. It's so pretty. And the formula is really good on this. It's like a jelly almost, but it's got a real good formula. Not pooling and puddling and running. So there we go. We got our first coat, and I am going to go in with the second coat here. I love all the components she put in this one. It's really unusual. I mean, I've got colors that are similar colored, but they don't have all this goodness in them. I am going to go ahead and do a third coat. I necessarily didn't have to, but you know, with squishy polishes like this, I like to do that sometimes. I'm kind of smoothing out that tip because some of them are trying to jump off. I'm going to top it with the Jealous from American Classics. It's not that it's really bumpy or sticking up or anything. I just felt the need to do it, so I did. I do this sometimes when I have glitters or textured polishes or things like that. But today I just was in the mood for it, I guess. I don't know. You know, I'm crazy. So I'm going to top this with the Poshe top coat, and then I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do some stamping. Look how pretty that is. You turn your nail and you get to see all these other different pops of color, and love it. So there it is. And here's my swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using yours, and this is YF02, and this is Kaleidoscope Gold. And I'll be using Braves Diva Game Over. And I've got my Conad Stamper and Beauty Scraper out. So I've decided to behave today and just do accent nails. I'm pretty sure that I just did this to my thumb and my ring fingernail. Yep, that's what we did. So we're going to stamp it in black first. Tapping down all the flyaways. I'm going to clean that off on my lint roller and then clean this plate off with pure acetone. And then we're going to do the same image in gold. Slide that plate back down here where we can see it. And here we go with the gold. And this is by Kaleidoscope. I love this. Very nice. I love these big images like this because if you've got really long nails, it's really easy to, you know, get a full image on your nail without having to, you know, line stamping up and restamp. So there we go. And then I'm going to do that very same thing on my ring fingernail. I wanted to leave some nails open so that, you know, I could just enjoy Cloud 9 all on its own. But y'all know this stamping junkie's got to do some stamping. So accent nails are the way to go for that. I do believe after this manicure, I've got one more to do a full manicure with from the MJ Lacquer collection that I received, and I saved the thermal for last. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess off of my finger, all around my fingernail, but on that skin. And this is coming up really well. Not a bad cleanup job at all. And then I'm going to pop in here with some acetone and a cleanup brush. Pardon my boo-boo on the side of my finger. It's starting to get better, thankfully. Here we go. We're going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Look how pretty. Oh, love it. The glossy top coat just brings it to life. And now that that's dry, I'm going to top it with Poshe top coat again and seal this one in. Loving this. So I do have some Mani Emotion and a swatch photo coming up. I've been trying to remember to do that on my videos so that you can see it, you know, hopefully. So there's the Mani Emotion. my little fake thumbnail there going. And I loved it. But I would love to hear what you think about it, so leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.